661 C, and so that means it's M-tronic. And same on the 500i, except this is fuel injected.
As you ran both the saws, as far as the kill switch goes, is it different to get used to on the 500i versus any other still saw? That's like the hardest thing for me to get used to. The 500i, trying to click
definitely.
it to off. It's like, muscle memory.
But how great is it? It always resets to run.
I noticed you had the not a full wrap on the 500i. It's a great bucket saw. You don't really get that. You don't see it that much, I feel like.
See, I'm a big half wrap fan.
You don't like the full wraps?
Yeah, they're lighter. They're slimmer in a tree, like they hang up less on branches.
Yeah, caught up on all the stuff.
I really like getting low stump cuts too, so the advantage is you can cut closer to the ground.
Yeah.
And then
And it fits in the bucket better.
Yeah, it's like smoother contours. What do you think about pulling the screens?
Yeah, I'll do that if you want.
Yeah, let's
I like you do that.
yeah. Personally, I really like to run no screens. Yeah. Why do we take the park resters out?
I just feel like more power.
That's right.
And breathe more. Boom. All right. Put this back on. Oh, that's wild. The new 66s have the stay nuts. That's cool. So those nuts usually would come all the way off. Like you would be able to lose them, like say on site. See how they just stay on? Usually they would fly off into no man's land, and then it becomes a game of hide and go seek. I'm taking the bar off to basically, I'm gonna gas and oil it. It'll never be this clean again, but I'm gonna make sure the oiler is running. Like I'm gonna gas oil it and start it and give it the vroom vroom so that comes out, because I don't want chain on chain.
I think I'm gonna need a little more oil.
Is it fine to run it without the faceplate on it? Yeah. We're just gonna make sure we're gonna put the oil, make sure the oiler's running. That way when we start using them, sometimes they won't oil right away. Yeah, this basically spews into here. Okay. And you can tell, like, if your oil's not working, this will become really dry looking. It's like very apparent. You're like, oh wow, something's wrong. Like, so you have, I'll turn it over, but you have an oiler tank right here up front. It'll say gas chainsaw oil. Then you have your gas. I've definitely been like jumped in front, like someone's been putting oil, they're just talking like we are now, and it's like someone has the oil in there. I'm like, no, don't put oil in there. It's like it's kind of a wicked thing. I've also dumped oil in there, myself just talking. It's like, uh-oh, gotta clean that out. I put my chain on backwards in case of the Mondays.